Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to create a Google slide. So when you first log into your Google Drive, it would look something like this. At the top left corner, you should have a new blue button and you'll click that. And you'll go to Google Slides and click Google Slides. Then it automatically opens a Google Slide and you may begin creating your presentation. At the top, you can change the title of your presentation. Then you can change and start beginning your slides. You can change the theme over here on the right, and you can choose different themes. Anything that you can do within Microsoft PowerPoint, you can basically do in Google Slides. So I've changed the theme at the top. I can insert images. I can insert a text box, charts, video. You can use word art, create line shapes. New slide, duplicate slide, delete slides. You can change the layout of your slide. So if I didn't want this to be my title screen and go ahead and start with my presentation, I could change that as well. Another feature that Google Slides offers and all Google does is the share feature. So one thing that I like to use Google Slides for in my classroom is through using Google Classroom and sharing story starters with my students. So through Google Classroom, I can share this with my students, and then they are able to make a copy and start typing their story based on what they see in the picture. So they could create nonfiction, fiction. Once upon a time, I was a, and they have all these different options that are new slides that I have created. So I've just inserted a new slide. So at the top, you'll see a plus sign, and if you hover over it, it will say new slide. I'll click new slide, and then it will automatically create a new slide for me. I could insert a picture. You could add text, just like I've inserted pictures in all of these previous slides that I've already created. So Google Slides is just a great way to create presentations, story starters for your kids. There's lots of different things that you can use Google Slides for that we will talk about later in Module 2. But as you can see, if I go back to my Google Drive now, I can slide down, and there is my saved Google slide that I started, practice and practice. And so then I can just click it back open and it will open it up for me, automatically saved with what I had earlier. It really is a great thing to include in your classroom.